Hello, welcome to our Jigsaw story time today. Who can point to their mouth? Show me your mouth. Can you point to your mouth? We use our mouths to talk with, don't we? What about our hands? Who can wiggle their fingers? We use our hands to do lots of different things. And today our story is all about somebody who used their mouth to ask for something, to ask for help with their mouth. So shall we see who is in our story basket today? Let's see who we can find. Oh look, I found a man, a servant. He's not very well. He's sick. So we're going to lie him down there. There he is. He's lying down. He's not very well at all. Oh dear. Who else then is in our story basket? Look here. This is a centurion. He's a Roman soldier. This is his house. It's his servant who's not very well. And the centurion is very worried about him. He's been very, very sick and he doesn't know what to do to help him to get better. He's thinking that he wonders if he could find someone to help his servant. So shall we see who might be in our story basket? Who might be able to help the servant? Oh, look, it's Jesus. There's Jesus. Now, the centurion had heard that Jesus was making people better. People who were sick and ill, Jesus was healing, and they were being made better again. And so the centurion said, I'm going to send my friend. Look, here's one of the centurion's friends. He was in the basket. I'm going to send my friend and tell him to go and ask Jesus if he will come and make my servant well again. So off the friend goes, and he found Jesus. Okay? And he asked Jesus if he would come to the centurion's house and make his servant better. So Jesus said, yes. Okay? Now, they could see the house. Here they come. And the centurion could see them coming. And do you know what he did? He did something that was very different. He sent another friend out. He said, run up to Jesus and tell Jesus that he doesn't need to come all the way to my house. He's so important. If he just stays there and he says that my servant will become well again, that he will be made better, I know that it will happen. I trust that Jesus will speak and it will happen. So off the friend went and he told Jesus that. He said, the centurion knows that if you say that his friend is going to be better, he will be better. He trusts in you. And Jesus thought, wow, isn't that amazing that he trusts and he knows that I'm able to do that. And so Jesus said, yes, your friend will be made well again. So off they went back to the house. And by the time they got back to the house, do you know what they found? The servant was well again. He was completely healed. There was nothing wrong with him. Because the centurion had believed and trusted that Jesus was able to do it. And Jesus had healed him. So Jesus wants us to know that we can trust him and that he is able to do amazing things. Just like he healed that servant, Jesus is able to do amazing things. And we just need to chat to him and ask him. So that's the end of our story today, and we're now going to do some singing together.
Hi everybody, great to see you all again. Hope you're ready to do some enthusiastic singing. Okay, so we're going to begin, as we always do, with the wheels on the bus. Okay, so here we go. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. And the wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all day long. And can you remember what the doors do? They open and then they shut with a clap. The doors on the bus, they open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus, they open and shut all day long. And the children go up and down, don't they? The children on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The children on the bus go up and down all day long. Fantastic. Right, let's do Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Show me your twinkling stars. Wiggle those fingers, let's make them twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so wide, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Right, let's wind the bobbin up, shall we? Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Wind it back again, wind it back again, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window and point to the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3. Put your hands upon your knees. Go to it again. Here we go. Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Wind it back again, wind it back again, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window, point to the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3. Put your hands upon your knees. Fantastic. Now then, time for some sleeping bunnies. So, get yourselves asleep, ready? Have you seen the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon? Shall we go and wake them with a merry tune? Oh, so still, are they ill? Wake up and hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop and stop. Great, go back to sleep. Have you seen the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon? Shall we go and wake them with a merry tune? Oh, so still, are they ill? Wake up and hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop and stop. Fantastic. Brilliant. Now then, we're going to sing You Give Me Joy. Now, you might not remember this one. We haven't done it for a while. But it's You Give Me Joy, such bubbly joy. And when you say bubbly, you have to go bubbly, like that. You give me joy, such a bubbly joy, that no one else can give me. You give me joy, such a bubbly joy, that no one else can give me. And then it says, I love to dance and run around. I love to shout your name out loud. Because you give me joy, such a bubbly joy, that no one else can give me. Alright, we'll just do that a few times through. Here we go. You give me joy, such a bubbly joy, that no one else can give me. You give me joy, such such a bubbly joy that no one else can give me. I love to dance, I love to dance and run around. I love to shout your name out loud. You give me joy, such a lovely joy that no one else can give me. Okay, let's do that again then. You give me joy, such a bubbly joy that no one else can give me. You give me joy, such a bubbly joy that no one else can give me. I love to dance and run around. I love to shout your name out loud. You give me joy, such a bubbly joy that no one else can give me. You give me joy, such a bubbly joy that no one else can give me. Well done, that was brilliant, so good. Now then, we're going to sing our new song that we've been learning during these last few Jigsaw sessions. So we're going to sing Our God is a Great Big God. Do that 3 times. Our God is a great big God. Our God is a great big God and he holds us in his hand. And remember, he's higher than a skyscraper. He's deeper than a submarine. Go underwater. He's wider than the universe and beyond my wildest dreams. He's known me and he's loved me since before the world began. And then you clap your hands. How wonderful to be a part of God's amazing plan. All right, let's get this going, shall we? Our God is a great big God. Our God is a great big God. Our God is a great big God, and he holds us in his hand. Again, our God is a great big God. Our God is a great big God. Our God is a great big God, and he holds us in his hand. He's higher than a skyscraper, and he's deeper than a submarine. He's wider than the universe, and beyond my wildest dreams. And he's known me and he's loved me since before the world began. How wonderful to be a part of God's amazing plan. Our God is a great big God. Our God is a great big God. Our God is a great big God, and he holds us in his hand. He's higher than a skyscraper, and he's deeper than a submarine. He's wider than the universe, and beyond my wildest dreams. And he's known me and he's loved me since before the world began. How wonderful to be a part of God's amazing plan. Our God is a great big God. Our God is a great big God. Our God is a great big God, and he holds us in his hand. Again, our God is a great big God. Our God is a great big God. Our God is a great big God, and he holds us in his hand. Fantastic, he really does. Brilliant. Okay, now then. Can you reach up high? Can you touch the ground? Can you stamp your feet and turn around? And can you go, woo woo? I'm going to praise the Lord. Here we go then. I reach up high, touch the ground, and stamp my feet and turn around. I've got to woo woo, praise the Lord. I jump and dance with all my might. I might look funny, but that's alright. I've got to woo woo, praise the Lord. Again, I reach up high, touch the ground. I stamp my feet and turn around. I've got to woo woo, praise the Lord. I jump and dance with all my might. I might look funny, but that's alright. I've got to woo woo, praise the Lord. Super, alright. Okay, let's row some boats together, shall we? maybe you want to get yourself a cuddly toy or someone to row a boat with, or if you'd like to just peacefully row your boat on your own, that's perfectly fine as well. So let's row our boats. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. And again. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Let's rock our boat side to side, don't fall in. Rock, rock, rock your boat gently to and fro. Splish, splash, splish, splash, into the water we go. Oh, quick, get back in, there are crocodiles swimming around. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Great. Now then, shall we do If You're Happy and You Know It? Here we go then. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, shake all over. If you're happy and you know it, shake all over. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shake all over. If you're happy and you know it, shout we are.
We are.
If you're happy and you know it, shout we are. We are. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout we are. We are. Can you do all four? If you're happy and you know it, do all four. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, shake all over. We are. If you're happy and you know it, do all four. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, shake all over. We are. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do all four. Clap your hands, stamp your feet, shake all over. We are. Fantastic. Give yourselves a really big clap. Well done. Well, that's it for now. And we will be back soon with some more stories and singing for you. But don't forget, if you want to, if you're on our Facebook page, Jigsaw Facebook page or church page, you can post photos of you taking part in the singing if you want to, or even give us a little video of you joining in with us. And I know some of you have got little musical instruments. Maybe you're even playing along with us. We would love to see that. So do please do that for us, and we love to know how you're all getting on. But we'll be back really soon. But we'll say goodbye for now.
Bye.
Bye.